The bicycle. Mike was an 11 years old boy. He was the only son to his parent. His father worked as a carpenter and his mother was a homemaker. Although Mike's family wasn't a rich one, they lead a happy life. Mike's school was located a mile away from his home. Mike's birthday was coming up in a week. He requested his father to buy him a bicycle, so that he can go to school in cycle and not by walk and depend on his father to drop him at school. His father also promised him to buy a bicycle so that he need not walk to school anymore. Mike felt so happy. The birthday boy woke up happily with his mother and father wishing him with all smiles on his birthday. Mike was feeling very happy and expects that his father would gift him the bicycle. He had a beautiful gift wrapped nicely in his father's hand and surprised. The father gifted him the parcel and Mike saw a set of books as the birthday gift from his father. Although he was a little unhappy as he did not receive the bicycle, he thanked his father. Mike's father was depressed as he did not have enough money to buy a cycle. He promised to his son that he would soon buy him a cycle. After a week, when he was walking on his way to his home back from school, he saw a boy riding a cycle. Mike felt that the cycle was too small for the big boy. Suddenly, the boy crashed into a post and skidded in the street. Mike rushed to him and recognized him. He was his schoolmate, named Sam. Sam was injured badly and there was no one near to help him except Mike. Mike helped him stand up and provided him water. Since Sam was riding the cycle faster, his left leg and hands were severely injured. He asked him to sit in a corner and took the cycle and rushed to a nearby hospital to get help. An ambulance came and carried Sam to the hospital. He then rushed to Sam's home and informed about the accident to his parent. Sam and his parent thanked Mike for the timely help. Mike in turn thanked, "It was all possible just I had Sam's cycle." Mike also told Sam's parent, "Cycle is too small for Sam to ride and that's why he was injured." Sam and Mike became close friends. Mike met Sam every day in hospital until he was discharged. Sam got a new cycle and he came to know that Mike doesn't own a cycle. He gave his old cycle to Mike and with Mike's parent permission, Mike accepted the gift from Sam. One deserves from another for their wellness.